make my cracker sexy. It really turns her on. You ready to suck today's fucking tit, y'all? Yeah! Shut the fuck up! Should y'all ready to suck today's tit?
Should we drink a beer?
Fuck no.
Oh, okay. All right, it's a new day. It's a new day. We got a new problem that I'm gonna have to probably solve, but we're gonna let Wes go for it first.
What's the problem?
Putting in that wiring harness.
Oh. You got me scared for a second. You got me a little bit of motherfucking scared for a second. So we got a big old brand new wiring harness here, and it's supposed to just be a plug and play unit for a 68 Chevelle, and this is how you install it. All right, let's go ahead and drive it.
All right.
All right, so that doesn't want to close.
So this is a wiring harness, full wiring harness by, I think it's AutoWire, right? Is that what we ordered?
Oh.
I think it's AutoWire.
This thing's nice, man. It comes with all kinds of schematics. Comes with all kinds of wire. Look at that shit. It's gonna be the main motherfucker right here.
Mm-hmm.
It's like spaghetti.
Yeet.
So, I would put this in first. Start getting all this dumb shit put back together.
Now all day you're gonna have this stuck in your head. She think my tractor's sexy. It really turns around.
Alright.
Get
that in.
Alrighty.
Those are two different songs.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
They're both country.
Yeah, they are. Do you know where this goes?
I ain't seen the Bears playing a game all year. What does this go to?
Or your switch.
Power steering fluid switch.
High beam switch.
Let me see here. Power steering rack switch. Let's see here.
Put it in.
Adjusting lumbar support switch. Alright, so I basically made up my mind that I'm going to go ahead and lay down some fresh Dynamat on this floor before we go ahead and start running wires across this, because this shit be nasty. Man, this shit is disgusting. I mean, look at this. Fuck. That's disgusting. That is nasty. High performance subwoofer trunk kit, extreme Dynamat. Now we don't have a subwoofer for this car, but you know, Clint likes to get some of these big old fat chicks up in here, and they got a lot of farts, so that'll muffle that sound out at least. We don't know what we're gonna do about the smell yet, but at least it won't be so loud. So I got it all vacuumed up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and lay this shit down, Jack. Yep. So this is all the Dynamat that we had. So this is gonna have to do for now. We got some more on the way, but that'll do. That'll do for right now. Now we're gonna go ahead and start wiring this joint.
from getting all the wires ran nice and clean. So the bulkhead comes through right there, and I ran it down behind the fender, running all that stuff over. And then this stuff, this is the headlights, and then it runs under here to the other headlights and the main power, which will go to the battery, and then just temp switches, oil pressure, solenoid for the starter, coil. What's Wes doing?
You're going too slow, you fucking pussy!
Oh, he's installing the
Go faster!
new Speedo.
Go faster! It's easy on the RPM. You got no oil pressure! Your water temp's at 840 degrees!
So I've actually been working, and Wes has been doing that.
Yeah. I took that apart just so I could do that. Does it look cool?
Yeah, super cool. While I've been running all these wires, looming them and everything, Wes did get a lot done. He put the high and low beam switch in.
And I mounted the fucking thing up in there. Alright, so I just took this dash apart. And as I'm sitting here looking at it, pulling the bulbs out of the back and looking at the new wiring, I realized that I have no idea what I'm doing. So as I'm wiring up the back of this instrument cluster right here, I'm remembering how soothing and just peaceful, almost like meditation, wiring is. You know. So let's see if we can. I'll show you. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to put this wire into this. Oh fuck! All right, let me see if I can get this wire to. Oh. Fucking cock, dick ass, fucking. All right, so I'm gonna see if I can get this little 3-piece splice connector to meet up with these wires. And my favorite part about this wiring job is, oh fuck! This thing's pretty cool. It comes with this new packet of all these little, so these are all brand new wires. You'll see in the end. I'm gonna wrap them all up together. This is a great soothing process. Oh. Fuck. I hate this. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys the proper way to install your heat shrink tubing when you're doing electrical work on your car. So, just gonna need a lighter, preferably a long joint like this. And then you just heat it up. That's basically it. So you guys might notice that it gets a little stinky in here. Just kind of stinky. It's weird. It's really stinky.
All right. Well, while Wes is still working on the dash that has like 4 wires to it.
More than 4.
4. I have been done for a while, so I've just been drinking beer. I'm not done because I need the crimpers because Wes is still using them, working on the dash with 4 wires. But I put the fuses in, hooked up the hidden switch to disconnect it so his car won't get stolen. Ran the wire to the starter. Finished up all the hooking up of the oil pressure sensor, water temp sensor. Ran everything all nice and clean, hooked up the windshield wipers, ran all that shit. I did all the hard part.
Fuck you. I did all the fucking bullshit part.
And then this is what Wes did.
No.
What defuck?
I laid down Dynamat.
I was not wiring when you laid down Dynamat. I was ordering shit.
I ate some Dino Nuggies.
What? You can't tell me things that you did before we both started wiring.
No, while he was wiring, I laid down Dynamat.
I
no.
installed the.
I
installed the breaker switch on the side of the inner fender well.
No, I did that. Okay, so
Listen to him.
I ordered metal, I ordered fiberglass, a bunch of shit while he was laying Dynamat. That was fair. Then we both started wiring.
And I win.
Actually, I think you started wiring before me.
Nope.
Yeah, remember? Because we had to go get you screws that they actually came with the kit.
I can't remember it.
No,
I've had too much to drink.
the metal screws that we went and drove to get that the kit came with.
It did not. And actually, I found out later that it did come with those.
It did.
But they were pieces of shit zinc coated dog doo-doos.
And you got stainless steel. Are you going to do this wrong again?
So what's the fucking problem here? Do you not need to change the bottom one? That's why.
Changed.
Okay.
These go together.
And then these go together.
Mm-hmm. And hold on. Let me see that. You see the rounded edge right here and the sharp edge? The rounded edge goes inwards.
Inwards. Doy. You're a fucking dick.
Not yet. Damn, this one all crinkled up. I got coronavirus.
You got coronavirus.
Shit. Oh, damn, would you shake it up? You fucking dick. You fucking cocksucker. I was wondering what's wrong. You just slammed on the ground? You fucking dick. God damn, fuck you.
Last wire.
Last wire.
Are you not going to strip it first?
Yeah, wait. No, I was just...
Oh my god. Oh, damn, dude.
Nice.
That's cool.
It works, yo.
Well, we don't really know how much he fucked up. All we know is that the bulbs work.
Yeah. But they work only when you turn your ignition off.
Woo! Oh my god. So are we putting our cans in the back of Clint's car for the rest of the until his car's done?
Let's do it now.
In all of our bottles. That's one night. That's kind of fucked up.
That is one night. Holy shit, that is fucked up. Should we add to it?
Yeah.